Hey, what's up guys, Josh here. So, before I begin, let me tell you something. You're not gonna watch this video entirely, 90% of you. So, there are two reasons that could contribute to this. Firstly, this video might be boring. That might be a fact. Okay, at least some of you might find this video boring to watch and you might choose to quit. But the second reason is you might be a victim to what I'm about to discuss in this video. If you want to know about that, you gotta brace yourself, tolerate until the end of this video. Okay, let's begin. Firstly, why is this video titled so? YouTube videos are failing. Is that a clickbait? I mean, it is partially true as well. Not for the company, but for ourselves. Before we dive deep into the video, let's talk about how YouTube started as a platform. There was a guy exploring zoo, right? That was the first video on YouTube. I think some of us might remember that. That's how YouTube started. There were long form videos until like 2020, those time. Shorts were introduced, right? After the influence of TikToks, these short form videos got really popular because there was a drastic audience built over a very short time for these short form videos because they were easy to watch, just less time consumptions, and there was a lot of advantages for these short form content that they took up the internet so fast. And because of the success of these short form content, Reels was introduced to Instagram, Shorts was introduced to YouTube, and both of them were successful enough on their platform. Why Shorts won so quick? Because they were short. Even if I go through the YouTube analytics of my own YouTube videos, I find that in an 8-minute video, only 50% of the video is being watched on average. In the worst case, there is like 30% of the video. For an 8-minute video that I uploaded, people only watch like 30% of it. Even if I consider that my video might be boring, there are other factors that also contribute to this, and Shorts became a perfect solution for that. For people who don't want to watch videos for 10 minutes straight sitting in a chair, they would choose to watch these short form content, and they could watch a 30-second video, they could keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and Shorts videos are of course addictive, but that's not what I'm going to cover here. A lot of people have already talked about it. In this video, I'm going to talk about something that I haven't seen a lot of people talking. Yeah, I'm not going to be very objective. Even I was a victim to these short form contents. I kept scrolling and scrolling. At some point, I may be looking back and a lot of time has passed. So okay, these short form contents are addictive and they are making us not watch the long form videos. But I'm talking in a perspective where I'm completely against these shorts videos, right? That's what a lot of people might think at this point. Let's talk about the positive points. Aren't shorts giving any valuable information to us? Of course, they do provide valuable information depending on the quality of the creator. They are informative, but they cannot go deep. Like you can watch 10 shorts videos on 10 different topics, each 30 to 1 minute. And in hindsight, looking back, you can see that you might have learned 10 different topics through 10 different short videos, but all at surface level only. When you have to learn about something entirely, it's going to take a lot of time. So the first drawback here is a short video cannot give you a deeper knowledge of anything. It can only provide you surface information. As far as I've seen, most people who watch a particular video on a particular topic doesn't watch it up until its end. And in addition to that, something I feel like worth adding is YouTube introduced a new feature a couple of months ago, which is that you can now scroll over the timeline and the timeline will suddenly highlight at which part of the video people mostly watch, right? There'll be like a hike here and there you can see that this part contains the most important information. People will choose to skip to that part and they'll miss a lot of details in front of that. So now let's think, what is the effect of these short form videos? People are slowly losing their patience capacity to watch a lengthy video entirely. Scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, we all usually tend to build this tendency to keep scrolling and move to different topics quickly. So when we click on a specific topic that's related to academics or something, we cannot stay connected with it for a long time. It becomes really hard to hold your hand from stopping that video. We are constantly choosing to go over the Shorts tab and keep scrolling, doom scrolling the Shorts videos, but surface knowledge, even entertainment, they cannot provide us with anything that's too valuable. Like, it doesn't matter if you're good at everything, you have to be great at something. Okay, let's not be very serious about it. I just wanted to talk about this, at least get this information out. There's no conclusion to this. It's not a problem. It is not a problem until you realize it. For someone who uses YouTube platform for entertainment, okay, you're good to go, it's great. But for someone who uses YouTube for both their productivity works as well as entertainment, they might have to consider rethinking things. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching up until this part. Okay, for the first statement I made this video, you're not gonna watch this video entirely, 90% of you, that doesn't suit you. You're the 10%, congratulations. And I just wanted all of you to think about it and nothing serious. So thanks for watching. Keep exploring technology. Bye-bye.